How to turn on portrait mode on Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply turn on your portrait mode on Instagram using your mobile phone in 2022. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, you just have to check that your Instagram application is up to date and updated. So for that, you're going to go into the Play Store and make sure that your Instagram is updated. Once it is updated, so you just have to open up your Instagram and going to your settings or your story mode or wherever you need to go. So once you go into your camera options, here it is. So what you're going to do is you just have to scroll down and see for the portrait option. If it's in the portrait option, you'll go into it, select the option. You see the back side or the back side is blurred. So this is how you do it. This is how you do it even in Snapchat as well. So this is how you turn on the portrait mode on Instagram. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.